For 2 decades, the World Korean Business Convention has been instrumental in globalizing small and medium-sized Korean businesses and fostering connections between Korean enterprises at home and abroad. In its 21st year, WKBC was held outside South Korea for the first time, right in the heart of California, USA. The exhibition was a key feature of the conference, offering entrepreneurs a platform to introduce their brands and products to new consumers, suppliers, and investors in the United States. Being part of such a landmark event was an immense honor for our team at Rent for Event. For the audiovisual aspect, we faced the exciting challenge of supplying 14 LED screens of various sizes. These screens were crucial for exhibitors to showcase their promotional materials, and we definitely delivered.
This convention thing is going crazy. We have a lot of hard things going on, but every team members were pretty cooperative and they worked together with my crew, and we finished it on time and everything works well, so I'm so proud of them and my crews too.
Our team used over 2,000 Unilumin LED panels with pixel pitches ranging from 2.6 to 2.9 millimeters to ensure crisp and clear images. It took a dedicated crew of 16 people a full week to install and operate these screens perfectly for the 4-day World Korean Business Convention.
So if you are thinking about any big convention, exhibition, go for Rent for Events. They're really good.
If you want to see more of our AV production, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next event.
Rent for Event, nothing but performance.